Alright guys, I don't know how much it's gonna fit in frame, but today we got an unboxing. So take a look at what we got behind me. We got a decent amount of stuff to get into today. Of course, we're doing another unboxing. Some of the stuff you've already seen. Obviously, I've had to push out reviews as quick as possible, but of course, this gives me the opportunity to unbox and maybe give you some thoughts that I didn't have to condense down into an extremely concise review. So yeah, let's get into it. So obviously, this is the navy Sacai LDWaffle. Again, I don't know particularly whether I prefer the gray or the navy. Honestly, if I hit for retail, I would go either. They're both extremely clean. And of course, we got the off-white. Now, this is the one that I managed to hit on exclusive access. What an experience that is. Just spending days watching everybody get their exclusive access opportunities, and then you finally get blessed with a pair of these. When you order your pair and you don't know what you're gonna get until it gets in, that's exciting. I really enjoyed that experience of unboxing the sneaker and really not knowing what I was going to get. I think that was such a good idea from Nike, and I'm glad they did it. But yeah, like you guys saw in the review, I got number 23. And I guess the main thing I was thinking is like, do I prefer the leather and canvas, or do I prefer the suede? I actually think I prefer the suede and leather. So if you got the suede and leather version, I think you should be pretty happy with that. Like, it just feels nicer. Like, the leather feels really good on the suede version. The suede feels amazing, and it could be a little bit more subjective. Like, I personally just like suede on shoes, especially this hairy, nappy kind of suede that they've added to this one. I think it looks really cool, whereas this one, yeah, it looks cool, but at the same time, I think I just like these more. Today's video sponsor, Sneaker Flea, and it is a good one today. It has come at a perfect time. Listen, we've had a rough couple of weeks trying to cop sneakers for retail. I'm talking the Travis Fragments, all of the Off-White 50 Dunks, the list goes on. And this is where Sneaker Flea comes in. They've created a new product that gives you guys the chance to grab your grails for under retail price. Sneaker Flea does really cool mystery boxes. In fact, they sent me over this August mystery box to show you guys what you're gonna get if you choose to grab one. So the mystery box is $99.99. So $100, and it is guaranteed to have at least the value that you paid for inside. And for August, the guaranteed items are an Anti-Social Social Club t-shirt and a Yams Day t-shirt. If you open up your mystery box and you get a golden ticket, you are winning big. I'm talking Travis Scott Fragment, I'm talking Grateful Dead Dunks, and a whole bunch of other really cool stuff. So let me open up what they sent me to show you guys what you would be getting if you did order this month's August mystery box. And here we go. We got a golden ticket. I know I'm not gonna get these, but it still feels freaking exciting. So obviously, if you get this, you are winning, and you got the Travis Scott Fragment Jordan 1s for literally $100. A Yams Day t-shirt, and this is the second t-shirt I got in the mystery box. I just noticed this, but this Yams Day t-shirt, look at that. It says $65 on the price tag. So again, you're getting at least the value that you paid. This month, some random boxes will be getting Off-White t-shirts, some Bape t-shirts, and V-Loan. Now listen, these boxes are limited, which is a good thing because it increases your odds, but you gotta act quick. So if you want to go and grab yourself a Sneaker Flea mystery box, visit the link down in the description below, and of course, let me know what you managed to get. But with all that being said, thank you so much, Sneaker Flea, for sponsoring today's video, but let's get back to it. Alright, last one that you guys have already seen a review on. So these are coming out on August the 28th, both here in the UK and of course the US. They're clean, they're awesome. My love for Jordan 4s has not died out. I'm loving this one. It's obviously a very, very special release, only retroing back in 2006. So a lot of people are after this colorway, and I think for good reasons. The materials are just nailed. The colorway is nailed. They did some really cool things on this pair of shoes. So if you're after these, I'd definitely try and grab them. And let's get into some of the other stuff that we haven't seen yet. All right, so first package up here. This is, I don't actually know, but it's a very big box. So let's pull these open. All right, so, okay, I know what this is. Oh yeah, I'm excited for these. So we've got the retro box. This is a pair of dunks, and I really like what they've done with this box. So obviously this is the 1985 dunk high, and this is just the cool 85 theme that goes along with it. And let's see what we got. That theme continues to the paper, and actually, whoa, take a look at the back side of this box. Look at that. You got some rainbow action. Oh man, these are cool. Oh yes, they added awesome leather on here. Take a look at this, man. If you are into retro sneakers, the 1985 theme, you're getting it on here. And I'm so glad that the materials are nice. I gotta say, there is kind of like a little bit of a shiny kind of thing going on here, which makes it look maybe not as premium of materials, because I guess the print on here has to be that, you know, the tie-dye effect that you're getting on here with the red and the black. But the, you know, the feel of them feels freaking awesome. It is the 1985 cut of the dunk. So what you're getting is a lot thinner of a midsole. It's a lot thinner. I don't know how much you're going to see on camera, but there is a definite difference between a 2021 pair of dunks and this one. It just generally is thinner, and you feel it on foot. I would say go a half size up if you can, because I feel like these do fit pretty snug. All right, on to the next one. Let's see. I don't have any knives with me, so let's just try and pull this tape off. Okay, so this is, yes, I know what these are. So this is another dunk, and this time we got an SB. So these released recently, and I'm excited to see them. The SB Barcelona dunks. Now, looking over this pair of shoes, you don't actually get a Barcelona logo. I don't know why I thought that these came with a Barcelona logo on the back of the tongue. Pretty sure I saw a picture of that. The Barcelona dunks, obviously that preludes to this colorway. It is the colors of FC Barcelona, the soccer team, and you can kind of see there's a little bit of a switcheroo on both of these shoes. So you've got one of the toe boxes being the navy color, and then the other one being that kind of reddish maroon color, which is a cool little addition. Around the back, it just flips it over, kind of alternates. So really, really nice pair of SB dunks. You're getting a really nice suede for the entire shoe. Every single panel has that really nice suede. We're not done yet. We got 3 more packages to get through. This one came in a box, so let's pull the pull tab open. Jordan 1 box. I thought this package was a bit heavy to be a Jordan 1. Still feels pretty heavy now. I haven't seen these yet, obviously. These only kind of just released here in the UK. I believe out in the US, you guys got a little bit of an earlier release. Do I like them over the 4s is the big question. Let's see. Okay. The Jordan 1 Pollens. Guys, call me crazy, but I think I'm taking the Lightning 4s if I had to make a decision. I mean, they are different colors. Let me show you. Completely different colors. I thought they were kind of going to be the same. The Pollens are a lot more of a dull yellow color, whereas the Lightnings are just completely just like super yellow. These are just like a little bit more of a duller, maybe a little bit more of an orange colored yellow. So materials, I'm not gonna lie to you guys, doesn't feel great. Definitely doesn't feel like the best leather quality that I've felt on a Jordan 1. I like the ankle padding, that feels quite nice. Black and white laces as additionals if you wanted to swap them out from the yellow colored one that they give you unlaced on the pair of shoes. We're running out of space, so let's get into the second to last one. I've been waiting to see this pair of shoes. Trust me guys, it is crazy. So let me take these out. Fear of God. And this looks like it's going to be a really nice unboxing experience. So I'm gonna savor this for you guys. Feels nice, like, I guess it does feel like cardboard, but at the same time, very soft. Take the top off and you get some nice Fear of God paper. You pull this back, okay, you get some bags. Smells like a lot of money. You get 2 little dust bags with the shoes inside, and you'll notice it feels extremely light, probably like imported linen or something crazy. California slip-on. Whoa, these things are freaking light, man. Okay, so here they are. The California slip-on, the retail price on the Fear of God California slip-on is £200. That is a lot of money. Keep in mind, and I guess I kind of bought them because I wanted to see the industry's, I guess, next thing to a Yeezy foam runner. And again, these do feel like a foam material. I'm not entirely sure what this material is. This is like the alien version of a very simple style. Both very comfortable all over foam shoes. I guess they kind of look similar in colors as well. So yeah, these are £70 here in the UK, and these are 200 at retail. I don't know whether these are reselling or not, but I know that they sold out everywhere. So they're a little bit narrow, but they're long. Like I would need to size down. Like my toe was, you know, had a significant gap at the front or the back if I push my foot forwards. So they're kind of big, but narrow at the same time. All right, last one, and we got a Nike box. This is the all white Nike Dunk Low. Take a look at that. This is an all white, literally the simplest version of a Nike Dunk Low that you could possibly get your hands on. All over white, that is it. That's literally the pair of shoes. Now I believe this is, yeah, this is a woman's shoe. This is only gonna come in woman's size run, which means it stops at like a, I think a UK 10 maybe, or something like that. Hey, listen, if you're a customizer and you want to do something cool to the pair of all white Nike Dunk Lows, I think that could be a really cool thing. You know, let go of the Air Force One. I know that's your bread and butter, but try some of this out. You know, we definitely haven't seen an all white dunk yet, so that's a new addition to the Dunk Low. I mean, the sea of Dunk Lows. All right, we got a bonus unboxing. So yeah, literally just finished the video that you're watching, and just finished taking the thumbnail and everything, and then I get a knock on the door and this turns up, and I've been waiting for this pair of shoes, so I do know what it is, and I thought, well, hey, I wanted to add this one in, so let me add this one in. New Balance box. Okay, just a regular New Balance box, nothing too crazy. Yes. Oh man, these feel good too. Jeez, okay, so here it is, the Protection Pack New Balance 2002R. You may recall that they came out in 3 different colorways. I think this is the Sea Salt colorway, then there was a Phantom all over black, and then there was a Rain Cloud, which I think is the most popular one. Probably might be my favorite. However, I wanted this crispy pair of all whites. Jagged extra materials on it. Like you can see, they're all uncut, unfinished, and all over the place, but it works so well with this pair of shoes. Yeah, this is the last pair of shoes that I got in. I don't have any more unexpected pairs showing up in the mail, but yeah, I did want to add this to the sneaker unboxing. That pretty much wraps it up for today's unboxing. I'm all out of shoes and I've got a lot of work to do. Let me know if you want to see any reviews on any of these sneakers that we've taken a look at today. Got a lot of good stuff coming this week, so make sure you're subscribed to the channel for all of that. Thank you so much for coming through, hanging out for yet again another video. Thank you for liking, commenting, and of course subscribing. Which ones are we going for? Which ones are we going for? Let's Jordan 4s. I'll catch you in the next one, but until then.